All right, my friends, this week's video is going to be really short and sweet, but a whole lot of fun. I've been really busy this week working on some powwow regalia for Sammy because he's going to be dancing at the end of the month. But I did have fun with this easy candy corn font. So I'm on a candy corn kick lately. So I'm just going to take my Posca PC1MR and write out the word boo in print. This is my new Thule Art acrylic brush pen set that I just got, and they're really cool. They don't require any priming, and they have like a brush tip on them, so they're really portable, really awesome. So what I'm going to do is I had created kind of a thicker side on the left of each one of these letters, and so I'm going to come through with these new Thule Art pens and just with the candy corn colors fill in that thicker part of the letters. I am really impressed with these pens and with the Thule Art brand in general because they're always improving things. They're always looking for how they can make it better for us. And these are literally like painting with a paintbrush, but without having to mess with bottles of paint or water. So very portable if you wanted to take them on vacation or whatnot. It did take me a couple of coats to get the opaque color, but the set comes with a bazillion different colors. It's a really good variety of colors. And they're just high quality pens. I'm really impressed with them and I look forward to making more things. Now that I've got the color on there, I'm going to go back with my Posca PC1MR and just outline the thicker side of the letters and then also just the main part of the letters to really make it pop off of the rock. So I had used the original as kind of a sketchy base to see where I was going to color, and now I'm cleaning it up with the black Posca pen. So this is a really simple trick to dress up your letters. You could use a single color, you could use a different color combination, like maybe for Valentine's Day you could use pinks and reds. But to add a little bit of sparkle, I'm going to take this Deco Art Holographic Illusion paint and just give a little bit on the colored parts just so we have a little extra bling, because you guys know me, I like my sparkles. It often goes on good with a dotting tool as well for the thicker, chunkier pieces, but check out how cute it turned out. Really simple, really quick, really easy, and you could use it in a whole bunch of different ways. Thank you so much for stopping by for this quick lesson. Don't forget to watch the next video on the screen, and I'll see you next week. Take care.